you ever heard of SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Without SEO, your website may not appear on the first page of search engine results. But with proper SEO, your website can rank higher on search engines and attract more visitors. So how do you improve your website SEO? The first step is to conduct a website analysis to identify any issues that may be affecting your website's performance. Once you have identified the issues, you can start fixing them. Creating high quality content is also important for your SEO. You can conduct keyword research to find out what people are searching for and incorporate those keywords into your content. Building links to your website is another way to improve your SEO. Social media can also help you improve your SEO by promoting your content and attracting more visitors to your website. Finally, you should track your website's performance and adjust your SEO strategy as needed. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task. You need to continue improving your website's SEO to maintain your ranking and attract more visitors. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your SEO.